In this video, we will be discussing about the trigeminal nerve, the trigeminal nerve nuclei. So, basically, trigeminal nerve is the largest cranial nerve and contains both sensory and the motor fibers and the central processes of the pseudounipolar neurons that is contributing to the sensory roots that are housed within the dural recess, the trigeminal or Meckel's cave, lateral to the cavernous sinus. Then coming to the nuclei and the sensations carried by them. So first of all, there are four nuclei: the motor nucleus, the sensory nucleus or primary nucleus, and the mesencephalic nucleus and spinal nucleus. Motor nucleus. As we know that motor fibers or motor nuclei are always in the medial side and the sensory are on the lateral side. So motor nuclei is on the medial side and where it is located in the pons, in the posterior part of the pons. Okay. Then after the motor nuclei, we have motor nuclei will be carrying the fibers from the corticospinal tract. Then we have the sensory nucleus. Sensory nucleus is lateral to the motor nucleus and it is carrying the sensation of touch and pressure. Okay. Then we have the mesencephalic nucleus. Mesencephalic nucleus is extending from the cerebral aqueduct to the pons. And what it is carrying? It is carrying the proprioception. Proprioception from the fibers, from the muscles of the mastication and from the facial and extraocular muscles. Then we have the spinal nucleus. Spinal nucleus is extending all the way from the pons throughout the medulla oblongata. So, and it is carrying the sensation of pain and temperature. Pain and temperature. So, how we will remember that which sensation are carried by which nuclei? First, we will remember from point to point. Okay. P and T. First point is related to mesencephalic and sensory nucleus, and then again we have P and T. So, mesencephalic nucleus proprioception, then primary sensory nucleus touch and pressure, and then we have spinal nucleus pain and temperature. Remember point to point sensations by the trigeminal nerve. So that is all about the motor component and the sensory component of the trigeminal nerve. We need to remember the location of the nucleus and the sensations carried by it.